Welcome to the Swisslog Spare Parts Portal Overview. In this overview, you will learn about the importance and benefits of using the portal, general navigation, and the ticket submittal process. Once you have learned about the basics, we will discuss best practices when performing tasks with this tool. One of the top priorities of Swisslog's spare parts team is customer satisfaction, which is why we are happy to introduce the Swisslog US Logistics Automation Spare Parts Portal. This portal is where all spare parts requests will be logged and tracked. This includes everything from quotes and purchase orders to warranties, return merchandise authorizations, and general inquiries. Transparency and efficient communication with our customers has always been our goal. There are several immediate benefits that you will notice when you start using this portal. Each ticket shows the name of the individual responsible for fulfilling your request. You can also observe real-time updates made to your ticket, as well as the person responsible for individual changes. Lastly, you can see your ticket status and where it is in Swisslog's workflow. To register an account for the Spare Parts Portal, email your request to parts-support@swisslog.com. A spare parts representative will set up your profile. Additionally, you will receive a welcome email and attached instructional PDF. Upon logging in, your homepage will show a few options to choose from: the menu, a search bar, and forms. First, we will review all menu options. All necessary portal resources are available by clicking the menu button. Frequently asked questions lists common customer questions and answers. The announcement section includes links to all the spare parts processes and many step-by-step instructional articles. The fixed price list catalogs over 1,600 Swisslog parts, including identification numbers, descriptions, warranty periods, and prices for each part. The My Activities section shows the status of any request you have ever made or were CC'd on. Additionally, you can see any comments that you have left on any of our knowledge-based or instructional articles located in the announcements section. My Profile allows you to edit your personal profile information and see your activity level within the portal, as well as track previous posts and comments. Change password and sign-out options are also available. And if at any point you need to navigate back to the home page where you initially saw the forms, click on the Swisslog logo. Each time the portal is updated, you will find the details on the announcements page. Each link will provide instructions or detailed steps for procedures. For an example, let us take a look at how to submit a purchase order. This document provides the steps for selecting the correct form box and how to accurately complete the form. If at any time you have a question about one of these processes, you can leave a comment below the article. A Swisslog representative will respond to your comment as soon as possible. And remember, if you have a question, chances are that someone else does too. To stay current with the Swisslog process updates, select the Follow button located at the top of the document. You will then be notified via email of any changes made to this particular announcement. The fixed price list is a living document, so it is recommended that you always view it from the portal to view the most up-to-date version. When placing a purchase order, Swisslog recommends using the prices found in this document. If you know the part number, you can run a search using the command Ctrl+F. Simply type the part number into the search field and press enter. The My Activities page allows you to filter through your tickets and check the status of each one. There are two ways to filter through your tickets. One is to type in the search request box using specific keywords. The second is to select one of the options from the status drop-down menu. Filtering your search can help you identify tickets that are currently being processed, tickets that require your attention, and tickets that have been resolved. If you belong to an organization where there are multiple resources submitting spare parts requests, you can view all tickets submitted by your organization. To do this, click on organization request. There are 3 status options: open, awaiting your reply, and solved. If a ticket is in the open status, the request is being processed, assigned to shipping, and/or is being shipped. The portal will show the expected delivery date for each open ticket once it has been shipped. Tickets with the status of awaiting your reply means a Swisslog resource has updated the ticket but requires more information from you. Lastly, all solved tickets mean that the request is completed. Each ticket will remain in the solved status for 45 days, which means you will be able to update the ticket if you have a question. If you update a solved ticket, it will change its status back to open. After 45 days of remaining solved, the ticket will be closed and unavailable for changes. At that point, if you still have a question or update for that particular ticket, the system will allow you to create a follow-up ticket, and Swisslog resources will complete your request. Next, let's talk about submitting a request. All the forms from the homepage have the following basic fields and required fields. Required fields are indicated by red asterisks. First, the type of form will be automatically selected from the first field when you click on the form from the homepage. No need to do anything further with this field. Next, the CC field allows you to copy any colleague onto your request, just like an email. The subject field is similar to the subject line of an email. Make sure that you provide a clear and concise title. Next is the additional information field. Describe your request in detail. Be as specific and descriptive as you can, as this will help our staff work through your request more efficiently. Then, select either normal or high from the priority field. High priority should only be selected in the event of an absolute emergency. Lastly, you can add or drop files into the attachments fields as needed. There are 5 form boxes that you as a customer will be able to select from Swisslog's homepage: quote, purchase order, warranty, return merchandise authorization, otherwise known as RMA, and general inquiry. The quote and purchase order forms only have the basic fields to complete. Before completing either a quote or a purchase order form, refer to the fixed price list from the menu. If the price for a part is not on this list, please submit a quote form. For purchase orders, please use the accurate price from the fixed price list. The warranty form requires you to attach the CFW 581 form in the attachments field. This form is available by clicking the menu, traveling to Announcements, and then How to Submit a Warranty Claim. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will be able to see a downloadable link that provides this form. Filling out an RMA form requires the purchase order number for the part that was purchased, in addition to the basic fields discussed before. Lastly, we will discuss the general inquiry form, which is available to both Swisslog employees and customers. If you look between the additional information and priority fields, you must indicate whether you are a Swisslog employee. Select No, I am not, and a dependent field will populate. Narrow down your inquiry by selecting one of the items from that drop-down field. The general inquiry form is not to be used for checking the status for another order. To check your order status, please go back to My Activities from your menu and filter the list to find your order. Update that ticket with your question and await the response within that same thread. Once you create a ticket through the portal and it is answered by a Swisslog resource, you will be able to provide updates and replies to that ticket one of 2 ways. The first way being through email. The ticket will be emailed to you and you can make updates and replies just like a regular email. The second way is through the portal. As previously discussed, you can log in, locate your activities, which is found in your menu, and this will give you access to your ticket library, where you can then pick and choose which tickets you would like to update and reply to. This is a little more convenient because you have all of your tickets in one location. This brings us to the end of your Spare Parts Portal training. Additional resources, as previously mentioned, can be found located in your menu by navigating to the Announcements section. But if you have any further questions, please contact our Swisslog Spare Parts team at partsstaffsupport@swisslog.com or call us at 1-877-353-9455 and select option 2. We hope this new tool benefits you, and we'd like to thank you for your time.